That is it, man. Yo, one viewers and subscriber. Yo, a whole lot of things are going on with Cartel and a relationship and a female. Yo, if you're new around here, remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get it right as you forward out. You see me? Yeah, man, you also can follow over Instagram and on Facebook at Sunday and Bones TV. But you don't know, the teacher take a trip up on a man, you don't know the fans, them are going to come out and think, you see it? Yeah, man, you don't know, the girls, them love teacher and the real boss that you don't know, see them did it. I don't know shit. You think get to see them, I not tell no lie, you see it, and you can leave it down in the comment section if Cartel shouldn't kind of make a woman them kind of ease off little for you don't know when him there Jamaica no. Him not deal with none of the females, them just a walk past them and them cause something there, but you don't know. I teach her that still and you don't know you have to deal with the fans them a different type of way, you see it, but you don't know teacher can like a love thing in the pan over them. You don't know what one still you see it. Go forward in the video and hear what see them as say. And you don't know teacher said speed.
You didn't answer that question.
What's the question? Who was asking the question?
When are we getting married?
Me no see that. England? England? Me no know. She have to answer that question then. They said when am I coming to England, daddy? Well, what does she say?
You can tell them. When are you going to marry me?
I'm married if I come to England. And so she will. I'm married if I come to England. And so she will. I'm married if I come to England. And so she will hit. Yeah, take care, guys.
For them being rude to me, but they can't say bye to me.
They literally just said it, baby.
No, they never said bye to me.
Yes.
Oh. Bye. See? No one said bye to me.
Hey, look at me.
So why can't they say bye to me after what you've done?
God's a nation. God's a nation. My life is a drama, you know.
No, but hold on. Why?
Go on if you want.
Hold on. Why can't they say bye?
You want me to call them to say bye?
I want them to.
Anna, 1 second, please. I never officially introduced them things and get me. So now let me introduce you. Anna, this is Sidem.
So who's Anna?
She's Anna.
Wait, let's get this off live because. Let them call it jealousy. But if it's groupie, let them call it groupie. If it's bitchy, let them call it bitchy. If it's an idiot, let them call it an idiot. Yeah? So not everything's jealousy.
People,
yeah?
My time for talk. They got the mic, baby. Now tell us something now. See? Your fans. Senegal. Shut the life on me about me have many girls.
I never said you have many girls. Do you have many girls?
No, I don't.
Oh.
So here I say, saying, big up Bronx. For your forward for New York, you know, Bronx is my place. Big up my two sons in my Brooklyn still, but at Bronx, me say, you see me, White Plain Road, Boston Road, Gun Hill Road. Big up Lenny Matic, you see what I say? Yeah, man, I just say a thing that.
No,
they're my fans. They can't be, no, listen. You see what people call groupies? I don't subscribe to those words. They're just fans because they're fans, baby. They love my music and they support my music and they sponsor my music.
All right, what if they throw themselves at you like groupies?
I mean, if I was having sex with them,
no, it doesn't.
Harlem, yeah, me have to dig up Harlem, man. Me can't dance in a Harlem shuffle though. She's not vexed. The Bronx, White Plains.
Thank you. I'm not vexed. I'm stating
White Plains. She not state no Fox, no Wolf, no nothing. Yeah, big up Harlem.
The difference is a woman's perspective.
Yes, Newtown. Yeah, man, psychopathic sociopath. Fully crazy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up watch it. You know, certain boy can't approach it. They got the whole watch it. One sentence.
Can't approach me. That rhymes.
No, baby, it doesn't. Let me take a sip of my apple juice.
Are you enjoying your apple juice?
Yeah, I love apple. Someone is a fully sick.
My
What
friend's
else?
from St. Lucia, Charlotte. Someone said big up Charlotte. I mean, St. Lucia.
Oh, yeah, man. Big up St. Lucia. Straight. Guyana, Western Union. Coffee me money.
Oh, so man.
That's it. Big up Hanover. Tell them turbo.
There's tier 2 coming out.
You
tickets
can't
ain't
hold me from the
completed.
corner. Yeah, tell them about here too.
The tickets ain't complete.
Make sure you get your tickets from early. Because tier 2 tickets are going to be more expensive. Even though Jamaican people money expensive, tier 2 are going to be more expensive. Big up Boston. If them this Boston, they make Boston like Gaspan. They got the whole centi.
And we put you in the dust bag.
Them can't hold in that one, babes. All this time, I was thinking they were built friends.
Want me for them being rude to me, but they didn't say bye to me.
They literally just said it, baby.
No, they never said bye to me.
Yes.
No. Bye. See, no one said bye to me.
Hey, look at me.
So why can't they say bye to me after what you...
She a pray me God's and nation. So me I talk to too much girl, but me I tell her say they're just fans. Right?
There's a difference between talking to girls and groupies.
Groupies are also fans, baby. They need to be treated like fans. You gotta treat them with love.
You gotta treat them like groupies.
They're gonna buy the tickets and come to the shows, baby. You know, if it's a self-care mother.
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
Huh?
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
That's grammatically wrong, you know that, right?
I don't care. Suck every single person's mother.
No.
Yeah.
You're saying it wrong. You're saying it wrong, baby.
Suck your mother.
That's how you said. Behave yourself.
Yo, satisfy him.
What now you're in a business?
I said, fuck the bitches that think they can suck